Thunderbox Unity Ride, guys.
We welcome you all to the city of smiles.
Welcome to Bacolod.
Inaj ka pala, pinakamabait namin rider. Hindi nagwawaswas.
Wala.
Sana lumago ang industriya ng kalamay, buhayin natin.
Uy. No,
Then you are here.
Yeah, because I am always in Panay, right? So it's not, for me, it's not new.
Once again, welcome to the 7th and 9th Mascaran Sangay's Unity Ride. Brought to you by Thunderbox Motorcycle Corporation. Vancouver sponsor CCY Sales Corporation. Mitsu Lubricants. BMW to do, BMW Motorrad to do.
Kamusta ka na?
Kawasaki Motor Simco. Master Republic.
Thunderbox Unity Ride, guys.
Stage where you can buy
Here is
t-shirts
mga
from Ride
malupit.
Fit.
Siyempre.
Guy LTU, focus on LTU.
Yan na, marami na mga idols natin dito. As usual. Morning.
And T77 control.
Dami na nga mga idols natin dito. Siyempre, as usual. Every year. So many people will come and support the event. So when Thunderbox is doing something all the time, people are coming here. Of course, siyempre we have somebody here from WWR, and here is first year. Morning. Yan na. Maraming mga items dito. Oh. May 10% discount na sabi ko sa inyo sa live. Oh. Punta kayo dito. JC. Morning. Oh, yun na. Yun na mga idols natin ito. First year, guys. So if ever you are in Bacolod, where they have to look for good products?
Yes, let's go to First Gear Motorcycle Hub. So meron silang service. They have all the latest gear from Ride United.
Yeah.
And then we also have coming soon, abangan nyo, may coffee shop and barber shop.
So marami na mga items meron tayo.
And the good news para sa inyong riders, sobrang luwag ng parking. Di ba? Galing ka.
Also, most of the time they do sale also.
Yeah.
You can just check their Facebook page. Most of the time they having so many offers and everything, di ba?
Yes.
JC is here, guys. This is our first year. Let me go around and show it. Yes. So marami na mga idols natin dito. Siyempre, here is. How are you? How are you, sir?
Hi, man.
Hey, kamusta, sir? Kamusta?
Okay lang.
Good?
My idol.
How's everything?
Manila, you come from Manila.
I flow.
You fly.
Yes! Kamusta, sir? Okay lang po.
You're not in Panaylob.
Wala. Pangit weather eh.
You strike Panaylob, ha?
No,
But then you are here.
Yeah, because I am always in Panay, right? So it's not, for me, it's not new. So I thought 1 week difference. I thought I will join here.
I went there, now I come here again.
Mahilig ka sa riding.
This is my other.
Hi, ma. Hi, pa. Yeah, sure. Ayan na. Marami na mga join yan dito. Normally, we expected 300, but I think there is more than 500 people are here. So many mga idols natin. Galing sa iba-ibang lugar, oh. Mga malupit, oh. Siyempre, mga malupit. Siyempre, mga idols natin dito. All the time, oh. Ayan, oh, attorney. Ayan, oh. Bagong-bago, oh. Pogi-pogi. marami na mga idols natin na punta dito guys for joining this Mascara Unity Ride. Ayan o, puno-puno na yung mga idols natin o. Ayan o, Lodi. So marami sila na park dito. Syempre there is another event is going on that side, so they all park here. So many mga idols natin oh. Yun oh, mga malupit oh. Morning guys. Morning po.
That's a pool.
Sir, morning po.
Good morning.
Morning sir. Yan na boy, malapit na mga take off na. So I think almost 500 na mga riders punta dito. So marami na mga event yan mamaya. After itong Unity Ride, meron tayo ng event yan mamayang gabi. So there will be so many things happening. Marami na mga brand din dito papunta.
Magsisimula, the Highway Patrol Group will assist us. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much, sir. Everybody, just pay attention. We're going out and please
Morning,
pay
friend.
attention for directions and instructions.
Kala ko
on
may
how to
anino.
proceed with the
Oh, finally last year wala ka. So this year dito ka na.
Always supportive of Thunderbird.
Yes. Yeah, now we start our ride. Siyempre kasama natin si Mikey. Back ride daw siya. So let's go with the Mikey. Ayan, setting to passenger. Dalawa. So guys, normally every year we have a Mascara Unity Ride created by Thunderbucks. It's a nice to ride with so many riders from different places. So they come here joining the ride, and I don't know what happening there. It's a bit init na. So this is a mga Goldwings trike from Cebu. I think Cebu, Davao, mga iba-ibang lugar yan. Malakas talaga ng Goldwing dito eh. So let's go. Ayan o. Mga idols natin dito, si Jet Li, Senator JB, and the Attorney. Ayan o. Oh, yan o. Yan, Senator JB is here. Jet Li is on the front. Yan ang mga idols natin. Yan na, madami yan guys. Mga Bundakan boys also here. And Ducati Renzo is there. Mga marami na malupit yan na kasama natin ngayon. Oh, tingnan nyo, madami sila. Oh. Yun, nakita nyo, meron ng mga small bike, meron ng big bike. Wala nang wala masyadong wala tayong dito. Wala masyado. This is a motorcycle community. There is no brand war, there is no big bike or small bike. Thunderbugs accommodate everyone kahit na using na small bike. Pero when it's come to, the membership of Thunderbug is not normal thing, because Thunderbug is one of the pioneer club, and we are lucky, me and Senator JV, we are lucky that we become they put us as a member from Luzon actually. So there are more than 120 members sa Thunderbugs. So me and Senator JV, two of them from the 120. So the one of the pioneer and very disciplined club sa Pilipinas. They are the one is actually made the national convention, and so many different thing actually they do for the community. So iba yung talaga sa sa Thunderbug. That's why when they have an event, so many people will join the event, because they are very respected, and I think that is almost 58, 59, 60 years old club, this Thunderbugs. So when any event, when they put, normally they put one event every year, that is this event, Mascara Unity Ride. So last few months ago, as you seen my video, that national convention, so that is it's switching to different regions. So next year that will be in Cagayan de Oro. 2025 was here, and 2024 was in Subic. So 2027 will be in maybe in Baguio. So different places, because they want to showcase all the riding community from different places of the Philippines come together, join together for a ride, and bring all the community together. That is their main agenda of national convention. So next year we will have it in Cagayan de Oro. So that's why they, like I mentioned earlier, they haven't invited so many. They actually public invite, so they choose to come to individual or clubs you can join. So last year 2022 there was almost 2,000 plus for a Mascara ride, because it was after the pandemic, and people are coming from all over the place to just join this ride. So everybody was at home, and they just came to ride. So this year, few months ago, the national convention is done. So that is the reason they just put it publicly. They don't much invite so many people. So whoever wants to come, they can join. Anyway, we didn't expect that more than 300 riders na join dito. Solid talaga ng ano, yung Thunderbox. Iba. So, let's go, boys. Yan ang mga idols natin, oh. Ganda yung lugar, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys. Solid yung lugar, oh. So we are actually near to the resort where we are going to have our lunch. Yan na boys, Mambukal Resort. Ayan na, Mayor Saulo. Oh, yan na, dito na kami guys sa Mambukal Convention Center. So dito yung mga event natin. So marami sila dito, oh. So ayan na. Hi Chen, good morning. Good morning Chen. Ayan ha, Jet Li, the Kung Fu Master. So, yesterday rock and roll ka na ha. Wala si Sen, no? Hindi niya
rock and roll tayo tonight.
Tonight. Andun kami, andun si Jet Li. Yesterday, singer siya yesterday, last time.
Pumunta ka doon. Ay, kumanta ko doon, Sen. Pumunta ko doon.
Ito yung lugar, ito yung our idol na mga photographer and videographer ni Senator JB. Pangalan mo, brother?
Kel po,
Kel. Oh, Michael yan, di ba? Oh, Kel. Oh, ito kilala niyo, maraming bases ako sa video kaya yan. Idol natin yan. Lahat na nakita niyo yung malupit na photos galing sa kanya yan. Ito yung videographer. Photo sa kanya, video sa kanya. Asan yung mga drone? Asan yung drone pilot natin?
Drone pilot.
Siyempre, pag wala si Chen, wala si Senator JB. Ganun yan, di ba Chen?
Correct.
Yes. Wala si Chen, wala si Senator JB. Puno na dito bro ah. Tanong nila kanina, abot ba dito ng mga parking yan? Sabi ko si Saulo yung chairman ngayon eh.
We're doing our best.
Yes, pero maganda yung lugar. Ano, malamig di ba? Malamig dito.
Nakita mo, inside parang convention na yung setup eh.
Oh?
Tingnan mo
Mamaya, pasok tayo.
Tapos, buffet na tayo ngayon. Di ba last year sa Unity Ride, ano lang tayo? Parang food pack.
Yeah.
This year we're trying our best, no? Buffet na tayo this year for our
Yun ang bagong chairman natin si Thunderbox. Yan ang Saulo. So, hintayin natin ang mga idols natin guys. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. Iba daw ng mga habol ka ngayon, hindi daw ng motor.
Una ako, dala akong Goldwing.
Goldwing? Oo. Sabi nila hindi ka katulad
Ano yan?
Alam mo ano sabi nila?
Ano?
Hindi ka katulad ng dati. Dati, syempre, dagi sila kasama sa iyo. Pero ngayon, iba ba habol? Ano ba habol mo ngayon? Sabi mo nga, chicks?
Chicks.
Oh, yan o. Tingnan natin ano meron tayo dito sa loob.
Thank you Naj for joining the...
Thank you Tony for supporting all the time. Whoever come here, ikaw talaga ng malupit. Guys, hintayin nyo na lang. I will upload one video about Tony. Yung billiards niya. Grabe, solid guys.
Thank you Boss Naj.
And meron tayo ng branch out din sa Alabang yan. Hintayin nyo rin. Anong papangalan natin sa Alabang? Wala
Bad
pa.
Koi.
Eh?
Bad Koi Billiards.
Bad Koi Billiards, guys. Baka November meron tayo, di ba, Tony? By November meron tayo. By November or December, open na tayo.
November or December.
Oh, yan.
Thank you guys.
Kamusta ng back ride mo, Mickey?
Ha?
Kamusta ng back ride?
The best. Magaling.
Hindi, tanong lang ako sa iyo. Bakit ka nabenta ng Goldwing? Sabi mo pangit. Ngayon kanina, gusto mo ng back ride sa Goldwing.
Ayaw ko may back ride.
Back ride gusto mo?
Oh, mga best pa club ng Bacolod.
Oh, yan. Guys, hello po. Good morning po. Good morning. Morning, sir. Morning po. Morning po. Morning po. Sir. Yan na, Vespa Boys here, oh. Yan na. Siyempre, kasama natin si Renzo.
Maaraw pa, makikita mo natin ito.
Renzo, bakit ka dito?
Syempre pare, every year naman, basta yung Bacolod Mascara Festival and yung Unity Ride, syempre kasama present ang Ducati natin dyan. Ducati Cebu, oh.
Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Mga malupit. Scrambler Cebu. Scrambler Cebu, oh.
Nice to meet you.
Oh. Mga Scrambler QC, panis. Hindi, wala kayo dito.
Nakita ko pala. First time ko sila na-meet, ba? Nakita ko Lexus,
si Marlon.
Ay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to
Yan.
meet you. Si Nudge ka pala, pinakamabait namin rider. Pinakamabait. Hindi nagwawaswas.
Wala. Takbumbende lang. Takbumbende yan. Oh. Tapos, kamusta ng ride na kanina?
Okay lang. Chill ride, oo.
Siyempre, marami na mga participants, di ba?
Yes, maraming participants. Maganda dito, kasi nakaka-bonding natin yung mga guys from other groups, di ba?
Yeah.
From other brands. So, yung circle natin, lumalaki.
Motorcycle community, hindi yung mga brands.
Yes.
Kahit anong
Lumalaki
brand.
yung circle natin.
Yeah.
So, that's what we want naman. We want to have a brotherhood and a relationship with everyone.
All the riding community, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Thank you for coming.
Wala munang racing ngayon. Relax lang muna ngayon. Ito tayo ngayon. Discover Bacolod. Huwag ka magwaswas, Nudge.
Ay, wala na.
Wala munang racing.
Bagong buhay na.
Bagong buhay ka na.
Bagong buhay na.
Okay, dito tayo, Nudge.
Siyempre, dito si Sir Lito.
How are you, my friend?
Oh, ano ba sabi mo sa mga riders natin punta dito?
Welcome and enjoy the new venue here in Mambucal Resort.
This is our first time here, no, para sa venue.
First time.
So,
Something new.
Oh. So, invited by our mayor, governor.
Governor.
Yes.
And thank you to the governor.
Yes.
And also thank you, my friend, for being here again.
All the time. Thunderbugs. Was.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Ano? Kamusta? Vespa ba gamit mo? Or 400? Vespa. Ikaw yung Vespa.
Vespa ba? Ako lang ang nakadilaw dun na Vespa. Diba?
Iba.
Thank you, Tony, sa Vespa.
Yeah. Vespa. Oh. Akala ko swimming ka. Ayaw mo ng ride. Ngayon, ride ka.
Siyempre, alam ko na may video si Nudge.
Preparation from Thunderbugs. Buffet. Lahat yan. Morning. Sabi mo, ayaw mo ride, gusto mo swimming, pero ride ka ngayon. Di ba, masaya?
Sarap mag-ride
Oh, sarap talaga ride. Mamaya na lang swimming. Ayan o. Mga idols natin dito already. Ayan o. Kamusta ng ride nyo kanina?
Sobrang ganda, of course. Bacolod to walang traffic.
Walang traffic. Oh. Tapos maganda ba motor niya, Tony?
Of course. Thank you sa ating sponsor. Hindi tayo makakapag-ride dito. Motorcycle sponsor.
Oh. Tapos si Sir Joey lang, isang malupit na kulay
Anong kulay?
Yung Vespa. Ikaw yung highlight doon
Di ba? Basta si Nudge kanina, habang tumatakbo kami, alam niya kung sino lang ang dapat kunan. Yung kulay yellow na Vespa. Galing.
Tony!
Sponsor.
Yes. Tapos guys, yung motor ko gamit, yung Goldwing, sa kanya rin yan. Yan marami na motor yan. Pero, siyempre, kita nyo, walang yabang, mabait. Di ba, sir?
All sit down. So right now we're having what we call our Governor's Lunch. This lunch is sponsored to you by the provincial government of Negros Occidental. Welcome to Mambucal. I'm sure it's sponsored this event. No, all of this, all the meals that we're having here is sponsored by Governor Bong Lacson. So thank you very much, sir. So,
first of all, I would like to thank God for a beautiful weather given to us of this sharing of these activities, a share of blessing. And also blessed to have one of my brother from another mother, the Lion, the director of the Highway Patrol Group, General Hansel Barantan.
Before the message, I would like to greet Senator J.B. Ejercito, sir. Nagulat si Senator J.B. bakit nandito ako. Nakikita lang kami sa Senado sa Wapwa. And the Chairman Manuel Tamata.
Good morning, magandang umaga po sa lahat. First of all, I'd like to thank Thunderbox for a very well organized Unity Ride, the Mascara Unity Ride. We come here every year to show our unity and solidarity as riders. And at the same time, pinakamaganda rito, we are supporting local tourism, which is what we have been really advocating. Kami ni Jeff P, being the ambassador of Philippine motorcycle tourism. We get to ride, enjoy our ride, enjoy our motorcycles, but also let us do our part in helping promote motorcycle tourism. Kahit paano nakakatulong tayo sa ekonomiya natin. Gaya ninyo, marami sa atin siguro ang nadidismaya, nagagalit, no? Hindi natin masisisi ang taong bayan sa mga nalaman natin na may mga nagsamantala sa ating bansa na nasira ang buong institusyon dahil sa kasumpangan ng ilan. Be rest assured that inyo pong kasama, ang inyong makasimanwa, si J.B. Ejercito, ay hindi ba ako, nung tumakbo po ako, I was not part of Unity or any other political party. I run as a independent, kaya ako my gratitude is to the Filipino people. Mag-isa akong nanalo dahil sa tulong ng ating magpapagawa. Anyway, be rest assured that whoever is guilty, kung sino man talaga, kung saan po mapupunta ang ebidensya, there will be no cover-ups. Kailangan talaga may managot na para mabalik ang tiwala sa ating kabayan. But we should not lose focus. We should not lose focus na siguro recently budget hearings doon po sa mga Negros. I'm sure sila also yesterday ako yung nagpahabula commercial. I defended the budget of the DOTR and I've been pushing them, no? Yung sa backlog na plates. Good news, from 11 million backlog 2 years ago and last year said 9 million. Ngayon po 1.5 million lang. So, malapit na by next year yung backlog. Ang maganda dito si Colonel Barantan, he will attest. Tinanggal namin yung doble plaka para lahat mas maganda. May plaka, di ba Colonel? For peace and order, mas maganda na lahat may plaka. Di ba? For peace and order, para safety na rin natin riders. And good news, yung po naging malaking issue, yung transfer of ownership, yung amnesty of LTO, abangan nyo, magiging online na rin po. So at least, magiging safe na for all the riders, hindi na tayo manghihirapan. It will be online, amnesty, malinis na yung record natin, hindi na yung patong-patong na deed of sale. Di ba? Mahirap po yung patong-patong. Halimbawa, magamit sa krimen, kawawa naman yung binenta mong motor na matagal na, masasakit ka pa, hindi na mangyayari yun. So, aga sa tanan, again, thank you for the Unity Ride, thank you for the support for Philippine Motorcycle Tourism. Mabuhay yung tayo lahat, mabuhay ang Thunderbox, mabuhay ang Negros, of course, led by Governor Bong Lacson, mabuhay ang Negros, mabuhay po ang lahat ng riders. Mabuhay sa lahat.
Ano ba, sir? Ano, sir?
Welcome to Honda. Kubaw.
Ipangking mo kuya. Ipangking mo. Punta kami ng Japan, second floor. Kubaw.
Joey!
Oh, ano? Swimming ka? Swimming ka? Meron daw ng ano?
Picturean mo ko. Tara, let's go.
Video pa ito eh.
Let's go.
Come on!
Wait lang.
Ayun na, maganda yung ano? Maganda yung lugar oh. Ano yun? Solid oh. Yun oh. Hot spring ito, hot spring. Hot spring ito, sir ah.
Hot spring ba?
Oo. Init yan.
Sobrang ganda nito sa Mambucal pala.
Refreshing from yung Jungle City sa Manila. Na-refresh ka dito.
Daming bata oh,
Oh. Maganda yung lugar, di ba sir?
Oo, ganda.
Ah, solid no.
Pang family.
Tapos may ano, hot spring pa, libre.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Natural.
Tapos konting ano, mix with the sulfur pa. Para maganda yung mga ano, yung skin.
First time.
Anong pangalan mo kuya? Clarence. Anong lugar ito? Anong pangalan ng Morsha Hot Spring.
Ito Mambucal.
Mambucal.
Ang resort, pangalan ng resort
Mambucal.
Pero ang pangalan ng lugar, Morsha.
So dito, ilan ng mga hot spring na mga ganyan ng pool? Marami no? Dalawa. So magkano yung entrance ito?
100.
100 from morning to gabi yan.
From 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Ano? Kamusta nang ano yung feel mo yung ano yung tubig?
Yung paghawak mo pa lang. About 40 degrees centigrade.
Oh.
Parang
you are in the
parang natanggal lahat yung naramdaman mo sakit sa
katawan.
So ibig sabihin pag nilugdog mo yung buong katawan mo dyan, may healing properties yan. So pag magstay ka dyan ng mga 1 hour na mainit, palagay ko kakulay ko na si Nudge. Ano, ito sabi ni Kuya, 100 pesos lang from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. 100 pesos to stay here?
Yes. Yun lang.
Dapat lahat pumunta na dito.
Di ba, Sir Raymond? 100 pesos lang entrance dito, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. So, ibig sabihin, pag mga 12 hours ako dito, maputi talaga ako dito.
Pero kung inaab mo si CY Gabriel, sulfur yun. CY Gabriel Wonder Bleaching. So hindi mo na kailangan. Mag-dip na lang dito ng mga 1 oras, siguro maputi ka na. Kaya baka maging tiger stripe to. Maging zebra.
Ayun o. Ganito talaga si Senator JV. Yun ang the good one. Wherever he goes, he always check the places where he can improve. So kahit saan siya napunta, he always check to improve our country. Yun ang Senator JB.
Sugar.
So ito yung kailangan natin ng improve, di ba, Sen?
Yes, syempre, author tayo Sugarcane Industry Development Act. Sana lumago ang industriya ng kalamay. Buhayin natin.
Patuloy sa amin. Bago ba yan, Kuya? Bagong defense.
Yun na, kunin mo na dyan. Ikaw na lang si Jet. Ikaw na, Jet. Puyul.
Wala dyan, ma'am.
Buhayin natin ang ano. Sugarcane Industry Development Act.
Sige.
Ayun na, may bagong trabaho si Jet Li dito. Sa hanap kayo dito, pati Senator JV din dito.
Para sa ano, buhayin natin ang industriya ng kalamay o sugar.
Thank you, Sen.
Ito si Jet Li lang, trabaho ka na lang dito, Jet Li. Magaling magaling si Jet Li
Magaling si Jet
galing
Kain tayo, tikman natin, Sen.
Sige, paano isa?
1, 2. Tingin dito. 1, 2. Teka. 1, 2.
Oh, ba't kami nasama kayo?
Isa pa to. Kabilo. Isa pa.
Kakainin ba lahat to?
Yeah. Sige, konti lang, manipis lang.
Baka maiwan yung ngipin ko
Yan, tama yan.
Yan pang ano, Senator JV din punta dito para check ng ano mga sugarcane farmers natin dito. Para ma-improvement din tayo dito, Sen.
Ano ito? Ano ito sa'yo?
Kamis.
Kalamay.
Kunti lang ha, magkakalimutan tayo.
Yan na boys, dito tayo. This is evening. This is a time we are doing our event. Like I said kanina, we did our ride, and then now everybody come here for the event. All the people will come for a dinner and all the stuff.
Hi.
Oh, yan ka na dito.
Good evening.
Ano?
Kain ka na? How was
Tara
the
na,
ride?
let's go.
How was the ride?
Okay naman. Ikaw.
That Goldwing, ganda talaga.
Pero bili ka ng bago.
Walang budget eh. Student
Ikaw ba?
ako.
Ikaw ba walang budget?
Wala. Hiling ako yun, kotse. Wala na. Bikes masyado. Pero welcome. Please eat, please eat.
Brother, kamusta? Ano?
Hello.
Ano? Photographer natin yan, guys. Oh, ikaw.
Hello.
Ikaw, brother.
How are you?
I was missing you kanina pa. Yesterday pa. Wala ka.
Sorry.
No, hindi pwede busy.
Pero
Ayan, kahit na hindi ka na chairman ngayon, dapat kasama ka rin.
Kaya nandito ako ngayon eh.
Ngayon lang, gabi lang. Madaya ka talaga. Ayan ah. Ayan ah. Mga Thunderbox boys oh. Welcome to Bacolod. Welcome to Bacolod, sir. Welcome to Bacolod. Oh, long time no see, sir.
Thunderbox. Sa lahat.
Ayan ah. Ayan ah. T-Bax.
Old branding.
Akala ko Tinder.
Tinder bags.
Ayun oh. As usual all the time in vlogger to vlogger. Vlogger to vlogger yan. So all the time dito sa Thunderbox, meron tayo ng lechon baka.
Siyempre.
Especially para sa akin yan ito. Because hindi tayo pwede na hindi pwede dyan. Yan, bawal tayo. Yan ah, lechon baka na dito. Yun o, madaming pakain. Yun o. Mga lechon boys, pwede ng lechon. Marami, puno-puno na yung pakain natin dito sa Thunderbox. Oh, ano ba? Marami ba pakain, brother?
Marami.
Ha? Happy ka na?
Hosted by Tourism Promotions Board.
Yes! Marami oh. Puno-puno na yung mga pakain dito. Yan ang Thunderbox.
Welcome to Bacolod!
Thank you. Oh, yun oh, mga idols natin from Cebu.
So lahat from
oh.
Cebu.
From Cebu boys. So
CKRC ng Cebu.
Dito si Patrick oh. Malupit yan, marami ng Italjet din yan. Ilan ang order ng Italjet? Dalawa pa. Oh, yan. 700 yan, 700. Yes.
Very excited.
Yan.
The arriving of the Italjet 700 Twin.
Tapos yung business mo, ano pangalan ng yung car?
PRS Car Accessories and Services.
Ano may YouTube channel din?
I have my YouTube channel and Facebook page also.
Ano yun? PRS?
My initial, Patrick Roosevelt C.
Yes.
And earlier we were talking about owning a bike. I don't have a bike, but I have a Harley Davidson Cruise. I guess that's enough. That's enough. It's affordable, less maintenance. No? But again, we welcome you all to the City of Smiles. And it's an honor and a privilege to be your host for tonight.
Thank you very much. This gathering is a testament to the strength of our brotherhood, the joy of shared passion, and the spirit of camaraderie that defines the riding community.
Of the local government, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Tonight as we gather, not just as riders, but as champions of Philippine tourism, bounded by our shared love for the open road, we celebrate something.
Number one,
we're introducing the newest member of the Cardo Pactalk family. So all the features of the Pactalk Edge is now available. The only difference is it has a clip-on mount and it has Cardo audio. So it's similar to JBL just without the branding, but the sound quality is really at par. The SRP for this, initially 16,000, but so our way of giving thanks to everyone who registered for the convention. The discounted price for you, the Show Your Baller ID, is 12,500. Okay, second important announcement is, okay, sino dito naka-Pactalk Bold pa? Ayan, Pactalk Bold. Okay, so congratulations, end of life na po yung product ninyo. But from Cardo, as our way of giving thanks to you, we're going to do a special promotion. Make sure that you follow Cardo Philippines, but we're going to make upgrading to Edge or Edge Pro super easy. So if you have a Cardo Bolt, you just have to show us your unit, or if you have another brand, show us your unit, and then we'll give you your Cardo Edge when you purchase it with a free second cradle. So you can now install on another helmet already. So that's abangan end of October. Okay, then third, as our way also of giving thanks, in preparation for the National Motorcycle Convention. Okay, if you're from Western Visayas, message First Gear. If you're from Manila, message us on Ride Manila. Groups, motorcycle groups can approach us, message us, register, and we can do group discount for Cardo. So initial promo is if you buy 10 units, we'll give you 1 unit free. So 10 plus 1. Para magpunta natin ng CDO, lahat tayo connected. We can all share on that ride yung masayang experience. Okay?